Gellir siarad Cymraeg yn newid bywyd eich plentyn, ac mae hynny'n cychwyn gydag addysg Gymraeg.
The majority of the parents of our school are English speaking, so you are in the same boat as so many other people. There's so much support out there, so much help.
Lots of resources available for parents, apps such as Q for younger children. There's app ydyn, which helps you translate from Welsh to English and English to Welsh.
If you don't know what to say, your child will tell you if you're wrong.
It's all about encouraging your child and giving them that extra opportunity and knowing that you are not making a mistake by entering that world of a new language and the Welsh language.
Ni'n byw at tua 6 milltir o Aberhonddu a mae'r bws am ddim i Elin bob dydd. So mae hwnna'n wych achos mae hwnna'n cael cyfle I blant tu allan i'r dref hefyd I ddod I gael addysg yn Gymraeg.
I came from an English-speaking home, was sent through Welsh medium education. Definitely opened doors for me throughout my education and into the wider world for job opportunities, etc.
Am fwy o wybodaeth, ewch at taith at ddwy iaith ar-lein.